Be kinder with yourself. 4 tips. Number 1. For starters, try to be as nice to yourself as you would be with a friend. Not criticizing, but understanding. Be conscious that everyone is sometimes having a hard time and is suffering. This thought will help you when something doesn't work out the way you want it. Try to extend the time in between the situation when something bad or unexpected happens and the time you judge it with your thoughts. This break between the stimulus and the reaction will help you to break the pattern to constantly and immediately judge yourself. Number 2, get to know your inner critique. Make yourself aware about all the judging, unfriendly things you tell yourself all day. Realize that these thoughts and emotions do not have to be the reality. It is easy to look at things from a distant perspective when you focus on the current moment. You don't think about what happened yesterday or what will happen in the future. If you have a pressing thought, let it come. Look at it with a curious interest. What goes through your head and what happens with your body. Most of the time, you will become more calm. Number 3, see yourself as you are. Compassion is a way of life, a milder form to look at things, thinking and feeling in relation to oneself and others. It is independent of your self-esteem. This we often make dependent on things we cannot purely influence ourselves. Our own efficiency, the question if other people like us. The self-esteem is influenced by outside factors. The compassion for ourselves is a comforting aspect. It is essential that you see yourself as you are, with all the mistakes and flaws, and that you accept yourself in this way. Number 4, compare less. We tend to compare ourselves with people who are prettier, more intelligent, or more creative than we are. Ask yourself honestly, do you really think this is important? Does it bring you peace? What is important to you? If you are unable to not compare yourself with others, try to get inspired instead. This way, you will trigger more positive emotions rather than being competitive. We have a useful link for finding out how compassionate you are towards yourself. Look for details in the description box and don't forget to subscribe and share our channel.